Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to use Klarna on TikTok shop. So let's get into your TikTok. So when you're on your TikTok and log into your TikTok account, so once you're logged in, so if you want to use Klarna on your TikTok purchases, so the only way you can do this if you have a Klarna card. So you can use your Klarna card because TikTok accepts most Visa cards and MasterCard payments. So if you have your Klarna card, which is typically a Visa card, so that should support on TikTok. So if you if you search for any item on TikTok and then go to the shop and then just go to the purchase section, like how you normally purchase on TikTok. So just select the item, go to the and complete all the informations and go to the transaction the payment option. So when you go to the payments option, simply select the card as the payment method, see debit card as the payment option, and then plug in the details of your Klarna card, which is also a Visa card. So in that way you'll be able to use Klarna on TikTok shop, as there is no any other options to use Klarna on TikTok shop. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.